The tiny toolbox dilemma. Where's the perfect compact storage? You've been there before, digging through drawers, searching for that one screwdriver, only to find a tangled mess of tools, office supplies, or random knickknacks. Big tool chests? Too bulky. Plastic organizers? Flimsy. You need something sturdy, compact, and stylish, but does that even exist? Enter the WORKPRO Mini Metal Toolbox, a pint-sized powerhouse designed to keep your essentials organized without taking up half your workspace. But is this small but mighty toolbox the answer to your clutter chaos? Let's dive into the ultimate quest for a perfect storage solution. Your biggest concern: durability. You don't want something that falls apart after a few uses. Well, this bad boy is crafted from cold-rolled steel, meaning it's tough as nails but light enough to move around. With a 26-pound weight capacity, this little chest packs a serious punch. Plus, the magnetic tab ensures the drawers stay shut, so no more accidental spills. Say goodbye to flimsy alternatives and hello to a reliable, long-lasting storage solution that actually protects your tools and valuables. Next, let's talk organization, because what's the point of a toolbox if everything is a jumbled mess? With two smooth gliding drawers and a top storage compartment, this mini chest gives you maximum flexibility in a minimal footprint. The PVC liners keep items from rolling around, goodbye annoying rattling sounds, and the 4 protective feet pads prevent scratches on your desk or workbench. Whether it's tools, makeup, art supplies, or even jewelry, this storage champ keeps everything in its place, neatly, securely, and stylishly. Of course, style matters too, because who says a toolbox has to be ugly? Unlike generic storage chests, this one comes in a sleek Macaron blue finish, making it a standout piece wherever you place it. Whether it's in your garage, office, or vanity, this charming yet functional box is guaranteed to turn heads. It's practical, visually appealing, and surprisingly versatile, because a toolbox should do more than just hold tools. So, is the quest over? Absolutely. With the WORKPRO Mini Metal Toolbox, you get durability, organization, style, and value, all in one compact powerhouse. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an artist, or just someone who loves a clutter-free space, this is the solution you've been searching for. Click Add to Cart now and turn your messy tool, or beauty, collection into a perfectly organized haven. Why settle for chaos when you can have compact perfection?